Greetings from acspublisher.com. Good day to all of you. We are here to discuss how the new journal will work and increase the citation and its visibility. This is our website acspublisher.com. So I hope you can see my screen. So this is acspublisher.com where you can easily search journal name on the home page easily. This is our home page and you can search the journal name easily. I am search here South Asian Journal of Social Science and Humanities for more clarification. So I can click on to the South Asian Journal of Social Science and Humanities. It will take some time to open. This is the homepage of South Asian Journal of Social Science and Humanities, where you can see on left hand side the menu for SSAJS like Home, Current Issue, Archive Issue, Editorial Board, Aim and Scope, Author Guidelines, Ethics and Malpractice, Submit Article, and Indexing Detail. So this is the thing we need to run a journal. So we can talk about the firstly current issue. If I click on to the current issue, you can see how many articles have been published by us. This is the list of article has been published by us. So what can I do? I can click on any one article. So now you can see the article title and how our team put data on our website. Basically, our team put data on website in JATS format. JATS format is an advanced language of XML. So, indexing agencies easily pick up the data and it easily on database like Scopus, Web of Science, Index Copernicus, Google, Scholar, DOAJ, etc. This will help user and author also how to cite the article. If you see, you can see that every format like APA, MLA and Vancouver format is given so that the author can easily cite the article according to their format. This is APA, this is MLA and this is Vancouver. Also, user can easily download the article in open access journal. Here there is the example of open access journal where this is the button of download PDF. If user is click onto the button, so PDF will be open. Also user can easily download article in open access journal by clicking PDF button, or user can buy PDF or subscribe if journal is paid. Now I am going to explain that what would the benefit to you if your journal hosting it on our website acspublisher.com. What is the exactly benefit if you come onto our platform? First of all, I explain that I want to tell you our website increase the visibility of your journal. It also help increase the citation of your journal. How it can be work, and I will be going to explain one by one. If you come onto our package, hope you all people able to see my screen. This is the ECS quotation that we have to be sent to the client. Once you come up to our website, on screen this is our package for open access journal. Maybe the price is going up and down because it is an old mail. So for latest quote, please contact acspublisher.com. I would start with the hosting and maintenance charges. This is our hosting and maintenance charges, which is 50,000 annually. What is hosting? Hosting is the fees which is paid by the customer to run the website. It is charged on yearly basis. And if I talk about the maintenance fee, that the maintenance fee is the fee which is paid by the customer to maintain the data. Like if you have two issues in 1 year, so all PDF provided by client in that 2 year is protected and archived by acspublisher.com. Means your PDF is saved with us in the archive issues. For this, you will have to pay hosting and maintenance charge. This is the screen for how we preserve the data and keep safe with us. So this is hosting and maintenance charge, which is mandatory to pay if you come onto our website. Next is article uploading charges. What is article uploading charges? Which has been 5,000 per issue. Means if you have two issues in a year, you have to pay 10,000. What is article uploading charges? Firstly, I can explain this. The data provided by the client in PDF form, in final PDF form. So our XML operator will upload the data in JATS or XML format on the website. I can show you how this data will be appeared. This is the current issue. If I click on it, if I click on the articles so that you can see on my screen, you can see that the article is uploaded to the website with the full detail of authors, which is mandatory for any indexing agency, author affiliations, which is required by the any indexing agencies, and with abstract and keyword. All this done by our operator in XML format. This format will help you to get the indexing in Scopus, Web of Science. I can talk about the Google Scholar and so on. So this is the article uploading charges that you has been paid by per issue. Where we are, article uploading charges. So this is for per issue. So I can show how the PDF has been uploaded by our operator in abstract and keyword. So indexing agency pick up the data and index your journal. In article uploading, we have provide below facility. If I said that you have to pay as 5,000 per issue, so what will you get in 5,000? I will let you know. Firstly, conversion of data in JATS and XML and upload onto the website. Means your data has been converted onto the JATS up to abstract and keyword and uploaded onto the website. So the indexing agency has been pick up your data easily. Second, company will market and promote journal for gathering subscription. Once your data has been uploaded in JATS or XML format, means once you provide us the PDF file and we upload onto the JATS and XML format, so it automatically promotes journal for gathering subscription. If your journal has print subscription, so we will gather it for you on revenue basis. Second benefit, I will let you know that just I will open Google Scholar because next is Google Scholar. If I go to the Google Scholar, all articles are appear in Google Scholar in next 2 or 3 months after uploading journal to our platform. It's mean everyone has to be see your article. If anyone is such, I can just put here acspublisher.com, because this is the article that we have been uploaded. Once you have been selected your article name and search, it will be appear like this. So it's mean it will be on Google Scholar, and the user we can easily click onto this citation button and check the MLA, APA, Chicago, Harvard, and Vancouver style. Means author will cite your article in any format. Means your article visibility is going to be increased more and more. So this is the second and maybe second or third benefit that has been provided in article uploading, that your article has been appear on Google Scholar. So the visibility of your journal has been increased. One more thing that I like to clear that time, agencies that do not charge for indexing agencies, such as I can talk about the Scopus, Google Scholar, UGC, and so on. So we provide full support to index journal. Means if they not charge with us, so we are not charging to the client. One more thing, basically we produce journal data according to their guideline provided by indexing agencies. In any correction is suggested by the indexing agency, we will have to rectify it. Once again, I need to clarify one thing very clearly, that we provide only support. Means that we provide only support to journal to get indexed in major indexing agencies. Means we only provide the support to get the journal indexing agency. Okay. And if other agencies that charge for their indexing, if I talk about the DOAJ, DOAJ is the indexing agency that can be charged annually for their indexing the journal. So we also charge it from the client. Therefore, client need to pay the amount for this. It means if client is charged to us, if indexing agencies is charged to us, so we have to be charged from the client. Hope it will be clear. So I can clear the hosting and maintenance charge, article and uploading charge. And next is additional services. So I can go one by one. What is additional services we have provide? DOI. DOI for a single article we have charged 150 rupees per article. It is not mandatory, for we are not forcing to the client that you have to be take DOI from us. DOI is a digital object identifier, which is also called DOI. A DOI is a string or number, letter, and symbol used to permanently identify an article or document and link to it on the web. A DOI will also help reader easily locate a document from your citation. So in today's scenario, I can suggest every client to take DOI, because it will also help to increase the visibility of your journal. Means if you take the DOI for your article, it's only cost 150 rupees per article, but it can increase the citation, increase the visibility of your article. It's on you, either you want to take this service or not. But I can clear one more thing. You have to be paid hosting and maintenance charge, and article uploading charge is mandatory to take to come onto our website to get avail all this service related to indexing agency. Next is peer review software. What is peer review software? Mainly many publishers, and if I talk about the society and the individual editor, will know about the peer review software. But I can provide you the little brief about the peer review system, so it will be able to help how it works. Peer review is to access the quality of articles submitted for publication and also help in indexing. Means the author of the article must submit it to the journal editor, who forward the article to experts in the field. because the reviewers specialize in the same scholarly area as the author. They are considered the peer review. The reviewer are charged with carefully evaluating the quality of the submitted manuscript. The peer review check the manuscript for accuracy and assess the validity of the research methodology and procedure. If appropriate, they suggest revision. If they find the article lacking in scholarly validity and rigor, they reject it. All the activity is performed by author, editor, and reviewer are recorded by our software peer review process. If suppose if any indexing agency in today scenario, all indexing agencies is asked for the reviewer comment, what author has been corrected the file, why reviewer has been provided, what reviewer provided the comment, and why editor has been rejected the manuscript. So indexing agency is asked for it, so you can submit it accordingly. For complete peer review process, how it works, it for demo, please drop an email to info@acspublisher.com. So you can, and today world, every indexing agency is asked for the comments. So either you can prepare it manually, or you can use our peer review software. And how it can work completely for a demo purpose, you can contact ACS representative or drop an email to info@acspublisher.com. So they will suggest you and guide you and provide a demo detail, how our software work, how the editor has been assigned the manuscript, how this reject the manuscript, how to submit, how to resolve, how to make the system. This is also not mandatory from our side. You can also manage this thing manually, but we strongly recommend that you have to review peer review software to maintain the quality of your journal. Next is our editing of article. For this, we have charged 60 rupees per page. Editing of article is related to improve the grammar and technical things in the article. Means your things in the article should be in proper manner, so the user can easily adapt and understand the things. It is not also mandatory. Many editors can do from their side. So I can suggest, if you want to take, otherwise you can leave it. For editing sample, we can also provide it sample how our editor will work onto the manuscript, how can they rectify it. So for this, you can same drop an email to info@acspublisher.com. Our representative will come in contact with you and providing a sample for this. Next is typesetting. Typesetting prepare final PDF means how we can make the PDF after the author approved the article. Typesetting is related to the makeup of a page. Simply how your page is look, how it's the professional look of your page, how the viewer look, and simply related to the makeup of a page. Also, we have available sample for the final PDF has been prepared by the ACS publisher. So you can simply drop an email to info@acspublisher.com for this also. Our representative will come in touch with you, and if you provide your email ID, they will send you sample how the final article looks. Next is Turnitin algorithm, which is we have charged 200 rupees per article. If I talk about the Palgorism is the representation of another language, thought, ideas, or expression as one own original work. It would also help if an already published article is not included in the journal. Simply, it can increase the index visibility, citations, and other people is also not stole your work. So you can have to use Palgorithm. If your company or society will provide any service of Turnitin or any other service, Palgorithm service, so you can use it or you can approach us, then we will provide the Palgorithm report. If the Palgorithm is in the article, the author has to be rectified and resubmit, so it improves the quality of article. Last but not least, we have many other services, but we have to be discuss here mainly the thing that you have to be concentrate on the journal. So full text on article pages. For this, we have to be also charge 60 rupees per pages. If I go to any journal, if it is taking service, full article service, okay, this is the article of impact of crisis management, practice on the effectiveness of crisis management on drone threat in Dubai International. This journal will take our service of full text service. Means the full text is related in the same way as the whole article is on the website. That's mean if you look at my screen, it will you show the abstract keywords, that all the thing like the after keyword come introduction, literature review, methodology, finding, conclusion, and references. Means simply means everything is onto the website. User will not download PDF and read text. Means simply if I click onto the PDF, user don't want to click onto the PDF and read it easily on web page. It will help to increase visibility of article and citation on journal. In simply means your full text is appear on JATS or XML format on the website. Hope it will clear the complete things for coming onto our platform. In any confusion or query, you can drop an email to me. I'm also available on WhatsApp 9999289785, 8459080899. This is our customer support number, 8459080899. It can also available on our website. If you go on acspublisher.com, contact us. You can find this information here. This is our customer support number. It is also WhatsApp number. You can drop in your message to 8459080899. So we can reply you in generally 1 or 2 hours. Thanks for your participation and look how our journal works. Thanks. acspublisher.com.